Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm here in Hobby Lobby, and they have a lot of things, guys, and I'm just going to take you around. This may be a twofer, but they have some nice things here in the store. So I'm going to start off with this little metal cap here. They have this little, it looks like a candle holder for $14.99 with the little gold monkeys. They have this little pineapple candle holder right here for $9.99. They have that little that gold pelican right there, $29.99. They have those cute little candle holders right here for $5.99. They have this one here, and they have this one. And as you look down here at the bottom, they have a lot of, as far as spring and ocean decor. They have that turtle picture right there, $12.99. They have these blue pineapples here for $15.99. They also have have one in pink. That gold dish right there is going for $39.99 with the monkey. All right, guys, so if you're looking for any spring or summer decoration, they have this drying mat here. Those drying mats are $6. They have the little mini pot holders right here for $3.99 in turquoise. They have those pretty tea kettles right here for $29.99. Those are very nice. And as you can see, look at these guys. These are the strawberry containers where you can put things on the inside. $24.99. Also, they have these little red bowls right here, which are very cute, $7.99. These strawberry cups here, $10. And this bowl to match with the cups, the bowls are going for $11.99. More drying mats up there in red, and they have the ones in strawberries. They have the pot holders right here for $3.99. But as you can see, they have a lot of things. They also have the ones in lemon. Look at the lemon containers here. They have the little lemon bowls right here for $7.99. And guys, look at these right here. These cups say hello for $5. And I just want to go back a little bit to show you the little timer here. That's really cute. And they have the salt and pepper shakers here in the strawberry. And they have the little bugs here, $5.99. Okay, more drying mats here, but they have the pelicans on the front. They have the little tumblers here for $7.99. They have those water containers right here, which are $7.99. And guys, my apologies when I'm saying pelican, but these are flamingos. My apologies. These right here are $5.99. The salt and pepper shakers here. They have the measuring cups here. The salt and pepper shakers are $10, and the measuring cups here are $13.99. Are those cute? And they have placemats here in different colors. They are $3.99. The circular ones, they have the watermelon ones, and they also have these ones right here at the top. These are $2.99. They come in different colors. They have these silicone ice trays right here for $4.99 in pineapple, and I see a tree here. But anything you want for decoration, if you're having an outdoor party, the theme pineapple or strawberries or watermelon, they have it all here, and everything is 40% off. Look at these little mugs right here. Those are cute. $10. And they have these donut plates right here. $3.99. And they also have the trays here for $10. Placemats here. These are going for $1.99. And these Central Perk, these cups here, you can use these for coffee or soups, whatever you want to use it. And this is the Friends brand for $13. Ooh, guys, look at these. These are actually table runners. Look at that table runner right there for $29.99. And it's in that texture there. They have this one right here for $19.99. They have that drying mat right there for $5.99. And they have this table, this dish towel here for $5.99 as well. They have these right here for $14. And you can actually get some chalk and write on those, put in your kitchen. Look at these little dishes right here for $3.99. And they have the cup to match. And they have the Cheetah salt and pepper shakers right here, $14.99. And guys, look at these servers right here. It's a server set of 2, $19.99. And they have the blue chargers here for $3.99. They have those bowls right there, which are very cute. They're glass. $29.99. They have these coasters right here, which are $10. They have these spoon rests here for $9.99. And these little blue bowls right here for $3.99. Alright guys, so if you're looking for anything in black and white, they have these cups here for $2.99. Those are very cute. The bowls to match. The bowls are $3.99. And how cute are these? These are really nice. $1.99. And the little plates to match with the bowls. The bowls has a silver lining. And these right here are with the gold lining. With the gold cups. And the gold little saucers. And they have these large, nice, these are actually not glass, with these platters right here for $19.99. And of course, there are placemats here at the bottom. These are going for $7.99. Those are really cute. They have these silver ones right here for $3.99. And they have the gold ones right here for $3.99 as well. Alright guys, so if you're looking for any type of spring decor, anything of that nature, these little characters, all of these range in different prices. I'm not going to go through all of them, but they have so many. Look at the turtles here. Welcome here. These are $12, and they have different ones. They have frogs. They have the little houses here. Those are very nice. These are $19.99. Look at the trees there, guys. Look how cute those are. Look at the little, I want to say fairies or gnomes. $11.99. Gnome, sweet gnome. $27.99. Very nice. I love everything on this aisle here. These are going for $21.99. More gnomes. They have mushroom steaks here $6.99, and they have them in different ones. On this little end cap here, I see this little decoration here for $5.99. Thankful, home, blessed. I see these little, these actually can be like a planter you can hang up. These are $4.99, and they have different ones with the little eyelashes. They have these right here, those right there. These are going for $3.99. But they have so many different planners here. If you take a look at those, look at this little girl right here. She's $4.99. $3.99. $12. And look at this little sloth planter right here. Planter, $15. And of course, you see they have pillows galore. Spring pillows here. Everything is 40% off. This pillow right here, $24.99. Fresh squeezed lemonade, refreshing, 100% natural, $24.99. All right, guys, so if you're looking for a red and black theme for your kitchen, all of this is for your kitchen. They even have the little signs here you can put up to put little notes on. They have the smaller ones here, $9.99. And those bigger ones are going for $21.99. They also have those right there. They have these little milk jars right here, $9.99. Look at this little shadow box right here. Y'all come eat, $15. They have these little wall decors right here. You're baking me crazy, $12. Bless this barbecue sign here, $9.99. And they have a lot of shadow boxes down here that are going for $8. They have that eat sign right there, $9.99. This right here is all lemons. Hello Sunshine, $29.99. A conversion chart for measuring. And look at the little yellow beads at the top. $13. You are my sunshine. Our week's menu, Monday through Sunday, $24.99. That pillow there is $29. Hello Sunshine. But guys, they have a lot. When I say a lot, they have a lot of nice things. I mean, you would actually spend a lot of money if you come to Hobby Lobby. And then, like I said, they have that 40% off. They have that sale going on right now. Look at these little wall decors right here, $7.99. They have this little blessed sign right here, $17.99. Those pictures there. Look at this little butter dish right here. $20. Everything is so nice, guys. Oh, look at the little pigs, $3.99. You have those two blessed signs right there, blessed and inspired, $24.99. These little baskets right here are $1.99. These little table decors are $2.99, and they have the bigger baskets as well for $2.99. They do have a lot of things, guys, if you're looking to spruce up your home for spring. Okay, so if you're looking for any type of wall art, look how pretty that is right there. It's very nice. $59.99. Very nice. I love that right there with the little pink house. $50. Everything is so nice, guys. And on this side over here, they have a lot of wall decor. If you're into things like this, this is very nice right here for $24.99. A lot of form decor. Very nice. And like I said, everything is 40% off. All right, guys, so like I said, this may be a twofer because I'm going to have to come back. There's so many things to show you, so many nice things. But I do want to thank you so much for stopping by my channel. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, share, comment, like, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to get alerts each and every time I upload. If you're returning, go ahead and share this video with your friends and family. And as always, guys, thank you so much for stopping by my channel. And I hope to see you guys again real soon. Bye, guys. Look at these nice pillows here. $30. This wall art right here is very pretty.
For the punching bag to take all our anger on. That's what she did.